It's been a year in which everyone has had to dig deep to achieve success. I've never been more proud of any organisation that I've served, or any group of students or colleagues that I've had the privilege to work with. Our entire community has come together as one Cardiff Met. Staff and students have given their all in the most challenging of times, and they tell me they're immensely proud to work for and not simply at Cardiff Met.
All the measures that have been put in place were essentially to make sure that the staff experience is prioritised, the student experience is prioritised, and everything else falls into place, other than the other way around where we're focusing on our retention targets, we meet our NSS targets.
Right from the very start, our university said that nobody, absolutely nobody, irrelevant of who they were, what contract they were on, would suffer because of it. We said we'd pay 100% of all wages. We said that we'd pay all our suppliers.
I'm very, very grateful for Cardiff Met for supporting me through this period financially, but also giving me opportunities during the process to meet more people, have more training, have the flexibility to work from home. So many, many ways supported me through the pandemic.
Lots of people are struggling with childcare, children being off school, very young children being at home as well, and I was one of those people. And so to have the university be really obvious and forthcoming in us being able to work when we could and do what we could when we could was really positive. And I could concentrate on raising my child in a pandemic, essentially.
University was always with us in terms of any help. University took care of everything, literally, mental health, well-being, everything. It wasn't that bad experience than we actually thought in the beginning. So our university took all the responsibility.
There's a human element to it that I think is lots of people don't realise that there is in higher education. That's definitely come through over the last year.
I couldn't think of a better employer. They've invested in me, they value us, and we feel part of the growth. Cardiff Met belongs to the staff, really, and we couldn't be prouder.
One Cardiff Met is what really summarises my experiences. We were all in this together, we all supported each other.
I'd say that we as a staff feel respected and trusted, and I think for your own well-being at work and being able to switch off and feel like you've done a good job at the end of the day, that's really important.
I think it made people realise clearly that Cardiff Met cared, that Cardiff Met was looking after them. The Cardiff Met said, do what you can do during this time. Your health and well-being came first, and that's vital.
I think I entered the building the first time. I felt like a bird in the cage with the broken wings, broken heart, and a terrible mess in my head because of everything that was happening. I left the university as a bird that can fly. You think it's a very simple thing to dream what is there. But until that ability to dream is taken from you, you can't understand the meaning of that. That when you wake up and you don't think that I just want this weekend or next weekend or next year in future, I want this, even if it doesn't happen, but you still dream. But when I came to Cardiff Met, I couldn't dream. And when I left Cardiff Met, I can't say I left it, to be honest. When I stopped visiting Cardiff Met every week, I think I got at my ability to dream again.
Da a chroeso I seremoni Graddio Ysgol Metropolitan Caerdydd. Good morning and welcome to the graduation ceremony for Cardiff Metropolitan University. Could I ask you all please to be upstanding for the academic procession. Diolch.
Bore da, a chroeso cynnes in ceremony radio. Good morning and a very warm welcome to this graduation ceremony. I now declare the ceremony open. Please be seated.
Bore da, good morning. We, the university, promised in June 2020 that when we could, we would come together at a traditional graduation ceremony to mark the amazing achievements of the class of 2020. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to welcome you to Cardiff Metropolitan University's graduation ceremonies for the class of 2020. You have made it. Before we do, just a couple of housekeeping points. Let's show our appreciation of all our students by applauding, cheering as the graduands process across the stage. Can you please make sure your mobile phone is on silent for the duration of the ceremony? We do not expect any fire alarms today, but should the unexpected happen, the staff of Wales Millennium Centre will escort you to the assembly points. We would ask that you remain in your seats until the conclusion of the ceremony and the stage party has processed out. Sadly, the Lord Mayor and the University's Chair of Governors are both unable to join us today due to testing positive with COVID. We are pleased that our President and Vice-Chancellor, Professor Cara Aitchison, is here and will now make the opening address.
Graduands, colleagues, families and friends, it's our great pleasure to receive students from across Wales and the wider world here this week for our graduation ceremonies for the class of 2020. And we're delighted that after an absence of almost 3 years, our celebrations take place once again in a building that's come to symbolise Wales, our nation's culture, and now our hopes for the future. And this is a ceremonial occasion. It's evolved over the university's 157-year history. And I encourage you to show your appreciation for your fellow students as they cross the stage by applauding the last as loudly as the first. And you, our graduates from 2020, have waited patiently for this day. When you embarked on your student journey as long ago as 2016 or 17, no one imagined that by the time you arrived at this destination, we'd be coming to the end of a long and testing global pandemic, and we'd be witness to a war in Europe. You've had the most challenging of roads to travel, and you should be proud of your efforts, your determination, and your resilience. The routes we take through life are rarely linear. There are detours and deviations along the way, and your journey to this point has perhaps been more off-road than most. Wherever you're from and whatever route you took, you're here now because you've been successful. And in most cases, that success will have been supported by my colleagues on the stage, your friends and family in the congregation, and others. So let's just take a moment for us to show our appreciation of you and our congratulations for you, and for you to show your appreciation of all those who have helped you along the way to this point in your most challenging of journeys. Congratulations. While the coronavirus pandemic has brought the worst of times. It's shown the very best of Cardiff Met students and staff. Yesterday's graduation included teacher education students who supported parents with homeschooling and developed hampers for hospitals, working with schools and local businesses to deliver thank you hampers to frontline workers in hospitals. Students here today from the BSc Healthcare Science and BSc Environmental Health programs worked in pandemic-related roles, including as support workers alongside registered biomedical scientists, accredited NHS laboratories, to undertake PCR tests. They staffed test, trace and protect centres and provided advice to businesses on how to comply with COVID-19 regulations. Scientists and product designers created and donated PPE and sophisticated testing equipment, and we were one of the first institutions to donate state-of-the-art equipment for PCR testing to the government at the start of the pandemic. The army came and picked up 2 incredibly expensive pieces of kit, and until we received a personal thank you letter from the Prime Minister, I wasn't absolutely certain we'd ever get them back. Our biomedical science staff remained at work to pioneer research into antibody testing, and they developed an asymptomatic lateral flow test, a research project screening over 750 staff and demonstrating how immediate LF testing compared favourably to results from public health laboratories. And this was groundbreaking research being conducted right at the outset of the pandemic in the summer of 2020. MSc Sport Broadcast programme students worked with staff and students in teacher education to stream yoga sessions into primary schools to support health and well-being in schools all across Wales. And on our campuses that never fully closed, estate staff helped us host Wales National Blood Donor Centre and a COVID testing centre to reduce visits to hospitals. And our commercial services staff managed accommodation and catering on campus for frontline workers, international and care leaver students for whom Cardiff Met remained home through the various lockdowns. And you, our students and staff from the School of Sport and Health Sciences, have demonstrated enormous resilience in your response to the demands of the unprecedented changes brought about by the pandemic. And life went on, even during lockdown. The MSc Sport Broadcast programme, which regularly now broadcasts to over 5,000 viewers, saw its first graduates when the Dean's Award went to Abby Davis, who's now forged a successful career in sport broadcast while using her increasing profile to act as an ambassador for Mind Cymru. Ben Breakspear graduated with a first in 2020 from the BSc Sport and Exercise Science and is now an international rugby referee for the Welsh Rugby Union. Jemima Benson graduated with a first in 2020 from the BSc Sport and Exercise Science while representing the university in the 800 metres. And Alice Hunter and Marink Rijic are our first graduates from our world-leading sport coaching taught doctorate. Alice is now lecturing at Bournemouth University, and Marink is first-team coach with Vitesse Arnhem FC. And while you've all been busy pursuing your careers, my colleagues and students across the university have continued to be busy and successful too. Your university has grown, it's diversified, and it's improved significantly, with success evidenced by major improvements in all major league tables and, most recently, the awards of the Times and the Sunday Times Welsh University of the Year 2021, followed by the award of the Times Higher Education UK and Ireland University of the Year 2021. And our School of Technologies, launched in 2018, now has over 1,000 students on new accommodation on the Llandaff campus. Our global academies, launched in 2020, are delivering cutting-edge research and innovation in health and human performance, human-centred design, and food science, safety and security. And our new master plan for our estate will see investment of over 80 million to remodel the Kincoed campus, make further investments in the Llandaff campus and Plasgwyn residencies, and ensure our whole university becomes net zero at the earliest opportunity. Our civic mission here in Cardiff has seen over 6,000 children a year benefit from the opportunities of experiencing sport, physical activity and well-being activities delivered by our staff and our students on campus. And our international work now delivers Cardiff Met degrees to over 10,000 students in 17 partner colleges in 15 countries around the world. And as a university of sanctuary, we are hosting academics and students who've been displaced by war and conflict, and will continue to support those from Afghanistan, Ukraine, and other countries. Indeed, we've just welcomed our first Council for At-Risk Academics Fellow to the university, a woman who was, until August last year, a lecturer in Afghanistan. And last month, we launched a £400,000 programme of support for academics and students displaced by the war in Ukraine. This week, over 5,000 students from the class of 2020 and from 107 countries will graduate with degrees from Cardiff Metropolitan University. I'd like to read that full list of countries, but let me just say it starts with Afghanistan and it ends with Zimbabwe, and it includes Ukraine and Russia. And together, all our students and graduates seek to make a difference to peace, prosperity, and social justice in Wales, the wider UK, and all around the globe. Education, sport, health, art, culture, these are our tools for soft power. These are our response to military aggression. Education, sport, and health are our catalysts for economic prosperity, for social mobility, for cultural cohesion. And you've already embarked on your graduate journeys, and I ask that you continue to be our catalysts for change, that you celebrate the university's values of creativity, diversity, freedom, and innovation, and that you live our behaviours of leadership, trust, courage, and accountability. Our university's motto is, "The most valuable possession is knowledge." As graduates, you have that valuable possession. As you make your way in the world as the change makers and peace builders in our communities and around the globe, your journeys will no doubt continue to encounter challenges and deviations along the way. Please remember that you're one of the class of 2020, the special class that overcame some of the biggest challenges in the most difficult of times. You have the knowledge, the skills, the experience to achieve your ambitions and to support those that follow in your footsteps. I mentioned that we've established a fund to support those displaced by the war in Ukraine, and we also seek to support our twin university, Lviv National Academy of Arts. If you're able, as alumni of Cardiff Met, to help us increase this fund, then you'll be helping throw down the ladder for those who come after you. Cardiff Met will always be here for you. We're here to support you, and we hope that you will retain your links with us, and we will strengthen and deepen our relationship and our partnership of working together. My colleagues and I are extremely proud of every single one of you. and the way in which you've navigated this most difficult and challenging of journeys. Please be proud of yourself and all that you've achieved under these challenging circumstances. And now enjoy this day of great ceremony and celebration. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.
President and Vice-Chancellor, I present to you students who have been awarded within the Cardiff School of Sport and Health Sciences. Bachelor ma'n gweithon eithio, anharedd ma'n astudiaethio, Chwaraeon ac addysgu gothoriol doeth eithog.
Sean Richard Ewart. Guto Gwenall. Slow down. Ffion Haf Jones. Ifan Rhys Jones. Rebecca Kennett. Siwan Fleer McAnulty Burrell. Gwenno Lois Morris. Winner of the Programme Medal Award, Sarah Ellen Patterson. Dion Sean Phillips. David Trewin. Gwion John Williams.
Dr. George Jennings will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science with Honours in Sports Studies.
Georgina Byrne. Cameron John Hammer. Thank you. George Owen Hathaway. Brittany Hobbs. Thanks. Rachel Isaac. Thanks. Maria Jones. Thanks. Isla Kimmins. Thank you. Chloe Letitia. Thank you. Sean Lee Llywelyn. Holly May Sydney Reynolds. Thank you.
Dr. Rachel Lord, Programme Director, will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science with honours in Sport and Exercise Science.
Stefan Barnes. Keris Bate. Jemima Benson. Madeline Benyon. Grace Blowers. Jade Lee Balderson. Ben Breakspear. Brandon Rio Bryan. Thomas Bulmer. Julia Hannah Chang Thane. Adam Clark. Katie Louise Clement McCreesh. Caris Cox. India Davis. Rodri Gwilym Davis. Andrew Douglas. Christopher Erickson. Isabella Fairthorne. Danielle Ferber. Recipient of the Eric Thomas Memorial Award, Hannah Gaunt. Sam Hellard. Garn Owain Jones. Rebecca Hume. Emily Louise Humphreys. Thomas Hutton. Laura Johnson. Michael Kendall. Joseph Alfred Killick. Daniel Thomas King. Liam Cameron Malkin. Florence May Mallon. Matthew Marsh. Ruth May. Thomas Melling. Arthur Mills. Holly Morris. Keenan Napper. Matthew Needham. Oliver Newton. Christopher George Offley. Jack Graham Parry. Sam Passion. Recipient of the Eric Evans Memorial Award and the Programme Medal for Sport and Exercise Science, Catherine Payne. Alice Pearce. Samuel John Perkins. Christian Piggott. Tamara Pitt. Amy Potter. Fian Prothero. Daniel Rawlings. William Richard Raymond. Troy Reed. Daniel George Riches. Fionn Wynne Roberts. Max Roberts. Olivia Victoria Roberts. George Richard Ruloff. Bradley Anthony Saunders. Ella Ankarad Sissons. Megan Stead. Rhiannon Toyton. Kaylee Thomas. Benedict Timpson. Rose May Violet Nash Turner. Jack Valentine. Kieran Wall. Daniel Walsh. Matthew Williams. Ellis Walton Jones. Amy Wright. Stuart James Young. Maisie Goodmanson. Rosa Lejeune Barrel.
Programme Director Dr Mike Hughes will announce the students who have been awarded Masters of Science in Sport and Exercise Science, Biomechanics.
Holly Jones. Master of Science in Sport and Exercise Science Physiology, Christopher Harris.
Programme team member Dr Larry Edwards will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport and Physical Education.
Joseph Allen. Martha Billsland. Emily Brooks. Neve Bully. Callum Buttle. Samuel Llewellyn Darcy. Cerys Davis. Jack Bailey Davis. Kiana Della. Oliver Doyle. David Edwards. Bernadette Forge. Harry Frost. Christina Gabe Jones. Kyle Garvey. William Gibson. Samuel Gilbert. Alexander Goundry. Chloe Groves. Emma Hobby. Fiona Nicole Hockey. India Howells. Sarah Jenkins. Alexander Jones. Emily May Jones. Lewis Jones. Annalise Llywelyn. Liam Llywelyn. Rhys Malcolm. Rhys Jones. Rhys Moses Loynton. Thomas O'Brien. Chloe O'Hare. Georgia Parfit. Programme Medal Award winner for BSc Sport, Physical Education and Health, Kieran Park. Emily Pine Smith. Isabel Plain. Ashley Poulson. Aidan Pring. Dylan Rees. Elliot Richards. Cameron Roach. Ella Robertson. Joe Rowlands. Matthew Roussan. Edward John Sale. Georgia Schwartz. Matthew Skewis. Chloe Sloman. Callum Stanley. Megan Stevens. Lucy Patterson. Sophie Hay. George Sterling. Abigail Sweetland. Ian Thomas. Olivia Thomas. Holly Thompson. Verity Olivia Tipper. Billy Lewis Truman. Megan Tucker. Kieran Twigg. Alicia Watkins. Ben Watkins. Lewis Aaron Watts. Ellis Whiffen. Howell David Wilner. Ailis Withers. Sian Elizabeth Woolcock.
Dr. Andy Lane will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Coaching.
Matthew Allen. Harry Brooking. Tobias Arnold. Jefferson Brown Pinheiro. Adam Clark. Kin Clarkson. Cameron Coursey. Ellie Davies. Rosemary Davies. Asa Dean. Meredith Derbyshire. Alex Duthie. Andrew Dyer. Joel Edwards. Courtney Greenway. Kirsty Gwilliam. Max Hammett. Georgia Harris. Fletcher Harvey. Thomas Holland. Hugh Hollyman. Kai Hollingsworth. Luke Hooper. Dylan Humphrey. Kia Hunter. Aaron Jones. Hannah Jones. And the Programme Medal Award for the BSc Sport Coaching, Harry Jones. Jacob Jones. Sean Jones. Aidan Killen. Ben Lee. Terry Llewellyn. Jack Lyons. James Morris. Anselm Powell. Samuel Powner. Bradley Pugh. Thuran Rahman. Liam Richards. Courtney Goodman. Michael Raworth. Rachel Short. Molly Simpson. Joseph Southam. Nathan Straminski. Angharad Stokes. Molly Townsend. Sebastian Venn. Emily Voden. Harrison Wall. Sam Williams. William Williams. James Yude. And Rory Lipscomb.
Dr. Kevin Morgan will announce the students who have been awarded Doctorate of Sports Coaching.
To receive the award of Master of Science in Sport Coaching and Pedagogy, Jack Bairstow. Victoria Evans. Timothy Gill. Emma Mary Ann Godman. Sophie Marie Warden. Thank you. To receive a doctorate in sports coaching, Alice Hunter. Sorry, I've got a few words to say first before we begin, please. Alice is one of our homegrown successes. She completed her undergraduate degree in sports coaching in 2016, her master's in 2017, and then immediately entered the taught doctorate programme in September 2017. Alongside her academic work, Alice has been the Wales Under-19s Korfball coach since 2018 and assistant coach of the Cardiff City Korfball Club. She's also a Welsh international korfball player. Whilst completing her doctorate, Alice gained a lecturer position in sports coaching at Hartpury University and in September 2021 secured a permanent lecturing role in sports coaching at Bournemouth University. The title of her doctoral thesis is An Examination of Explicitation Techniques to Enhance Decision-Making in Korfball, an action research study. Alice's thesis aimed to develop the use of explicitation techniques as a teaching and learning tool for coaches to enhance their players' game awareness and decision-making in korfball. These questioning techniques aim to get the players into a state of evocation, where they can relive playing moments to access information stored in their subconscious. As the coach, Alice used the techniques with 5 experienced korfball players in their regular coaching sessions over a period of 4 months. The results showed that through engagement with these techniques, Alice gained a better understanding of her players' on-court decision-making and the players developed a greater game awareness. To receive the award of Doctor in Sport Coaching, Alice Hunter. As a football coach, Marink Rydek has had some prominent coaching roles in prestigious clubs, including AFC Ajax, West Bromwich Albion, and his current role as assistant first-team coach at Vitesse Arnhem in the top-tier professional Dutch football. He completed his undergraduate degree in Governance and Organisation Science at Amsterdam University in 2014, and his Masters in Coaching Science at the University of the West of England in 2016. He was accepted onto the taught Doctorate in Sports Coaching in 2017 as a full-time student whilst coaching full-time at West Bromwich Albion, and impressively completed the programme of study within 3 years. The title of his final thesis is Tell Me How to Dance With You, a phenomenological exploration to improve my own football coaching. Guided by Professor Robin Jones, this was a thesis written in the first person, which explores and documents Marink's development to better see the phenomenon of coaching football. Borrowing from the analysis of his own lived experience as a coach, the thesis addresses the under-researched area of coaches' observations and how they make practical sense of such observations. It also marks an effort to bridge the theory-practice gap in sports coaching, thus positioning coaches as, above all, practical theorists. To receive the award of Doctor of Sports Coaching, Marink Rydek.
Dr. Jason Pedley, Programme Director, will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Conditioning, Rehabilitation and Massage.
The recipient of the Mike Wadsworth Programme Medal Award, Abby Bezic. Christy Bowling. Austin Bryant. Gregory Buck. Amy Chambers. Isabel Dixon. Oshan Wynne Edwards. Ben Evans. Harry Evans. Harry Felton. Jack Godolphin. Isabel Grant. Rebecca Harris. Joel Harries. Alex Hall. Bradley Howell. Samuel Jenkins. Nathan John. Aisling Keeble. Ashley J. Leake-Coleman. Christopher Lewis. Jodie Matthews. James Mattin. Lydia Neal. Harriet Nicholas. Lenny Steve Norris. Rasheen Mary Payton. Josh Piper. Rebecca Powney. Lauren Elizabeth Rabbits. Ellis Richards. Ollie Roger. Ella Marianne Skirm. Jack Stephen. Sam Sweet. William Reese Taylor. Kai Brooklyn Toogood. Olivia Turner. Charlie Owen. Bailey Walters. Mia Washington. Ella Williams. Molly Rhiannon Williams. Wojtek Witt.
Dr. Jason Pedley will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Science in Strength and Conditioning.
Sean Howard. Georgia Steele. Christopher Taggart. Benjamin Wolsey Hurd.
Dr. Alec McKinch will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Development.
Caitlin Cook. Abigail Dix. Thomas George Fownes. Sam Harris. Kieran Lewis Jones. Hishi Lama. Thomas Masochi. Gareth Picken. Thomas Mark Bryant Salmon. Joseph Thomas. Thomas Walker. Amy Mayo.
Programme Director Elizabeth Lewis will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Management.
Caris Allen. Emily Louise Bale. Nia Eleanor Barnes. Oliver Brown. Billy Edward Conchi. Winner of the Programme Medal for the BSc Sport Management, Daniel James Cox. Keris Jemima Davis. Winner of the Gwyn Williams Memorial Award, Joseph Davis. Edward Doble. Ross Faulkner. Thomas Godolphin. Benjamin Greening James. Ryan Grisky. Evangeline Gubb. Alex Hammond.
Kieran Horrigan. Jacob Hughes. Luke James. Zachariah King. Julian Collar. Corey Wynne Lewis. Harry Matthews. Charlie Mercer. Alexi Pillar Nicholas. Jana Pakna. Alice Megan Pierce. Gemma Price. Alid Ward.
Programme team member Dr. Alex McClinch will announce the students awarded Master of Science in Sport Management and Leadership.
Alexandra Rook Dennis. Sadie Surgeron. Christopher Ower.
Programme Director Adam Cullinane will announce the students who have been awarded Bachelor of Science in Sport Performance Analysis.
Jake Michael Ullman. Saffron Alexis Ann Beckley. Jordan Oliver David Bisp. Kieran Sean Bowden. Caitlin Sean Burnett. William Davies. The following student is the award winner for the Programme Medal for Sport Performance Analysis, Sebastian James Dunn. Benjamin Edwards. Kieran Eland. Alex Goddard. Daisy Dub Hudson. Ryan Humphreys Thomas. Matthew Inglis. Alex Jenkins. Thomas Anthony Mitchell. Henry John Mombo. Ridian Morgan. Bryony Merton. Bradley Pierce. Elliot James Russell. Curtis Strange. Luke Strong. Sean Allen Trevor Jones. Ben Williamson. The following student has been awarded a Master of Sport Performance Analysis, Ian Alex Jones. The following student has been awarded a Master of Science in Sport Performance Analysis in Analytics, and also is the award winner of the Non-Thomas Award, Jack Rogers. The following student has been awarded a Master of Science in Sport Performance Analysis, Applied, Jake Pascoe.
Programme team member Dr. George Jennings will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Arts in Sociology and Ethics of Sport.
Thank you. Bieber Shooter. Bethan Scoose. Heidi Smith. Sam Tomlinson. Emily Watson.
Dr. Rod Renoyd will announce the Doctor of Philosophy from the area of sport development.
This PhD thesis, which was co-funded by the Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, provides a critical analysis of whether sport in the community can be a vehicle for promoting the Welsh language among young people beyond the school gate. A case study approach, which included observations and interviews, was adopted to obtain the perspectives of young people, community sport providers, and local, regional, and national policy informers. A key conclusion was that community sport can offer opportunities for the development of the Welsh language, and that the linguistic capital is an important feature of community cohesion and identity. However, it is not without its challenges. This PhD conveyed an important message related for involving all members of the community in future sport and language policy planning, as well as the significance of embracing Welsh as a language which can be spoken by all. Am waith o'r teitl, annog plant I ddefnyddio'r Gymraeg tu hwnt I gatiau'r ysgol arolwg o rôl clwbiau chwaraeon cymunedol, for a thesis entitled A Critical Analysis of the Role that Community Sport Can Be Used to Encourage the Use of the Welsh Language Among Young People Beyond the School Gate, and the Award of Doctor of Philosophy, Lana Evans.
Postgraduate Programme Coordinator Dr Mike Hughes will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Science in Sport and Exercise Medicine.
Natalie Marie Green. Sarah Lee. Niha Nakari. Kelly Newton. Danielle Vickery.
Programme Director Joe Towns will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Science in Sport Broadcast.
Samuel Butcher. Gregory John Allen Kane. Joshua Davis. Kaylee Marie Davis. Gavin William Rees-Donald. Louis Hadarijonaj. Richard Jack Jones. Matthew Leon. Charlie Phillips. Alexandra Marie Richards.
Programme Director Dr Karen Howes will announce the students who have been awarded Master of Science in Sports Psychology.
Sophie Barrett. Laura Marie Cox. Kirsten Nicole Cernils. Chloe Thomas. Hannah Williams.
Professor Richard Neal will announce the award of Doctor of Philosophy in the area of sports psychology.
It is with great pleasure I announce the recipient of this doctoral award. Charlotte completed her studies with us 2 years this very month, and prior to that completed a HND, a bachelor's degree, first class with honours, a master's degree with distinction, all at Cardiff Met. Charlotte's research focused on designing, implementing and evaluating a life skill programme through golf in collaboration with Wales Golf. Charlotte led this research working with myself and colleagues at the University of South Wales, Professor Brendan Cropley, and Bangor University, Professor Tim Woodman and Dr Ross Roberts. Charlotte has since published work from that thesis, a systematic review focusing on the design and evaluation of life skill programmes. Charlotte also is the lead consultant for Wales Golf, providing sports psychology support for the national female and male golf squads. And recently, Charlotte secured a full-time lecturing post at the University of Lancashire. Awesome work. For the award of Doctor of Philosophy, Charlotte Williams.
To announce the Doctorate of Philosophy in the area of sport physiology, Dr. Mike Stembridge.
Tony's thesis investigated how the heart of strength and endurance athletes remodels in response to their training. Now, we've known for some time that the heart of strength athletes thickens in response to the high blood pressure we see during exercise, and that the heart of endurance athletes enlarges to increase the amount of blood the heart can pump. Now, Tony's work revealed for the first time that the function of the heart also remodels, with strength athletes able to contract with a greater force and endurance athletes able to acutely expand their hearts to accommodate more blood. These functional adaptations are important to consider when clinicians and physiologists assess the athlete's heart during routine cardiac screening, and will aid in the differential diagnosis in the grey area between pathology and physiology of the athlete's heart. During his candidature, Tony also worked as a technician demonstrator within the physiology labs and will have supported many of the graduates of sport and exercise science that are here today. He now is completing his postdoctoral work at the University of British Columbia in Canada in comparative physiology. So, for the award of Doctor of Philosophy for the thesis titled Functional Remodelling of the Right and Left Ventricle in Athletes, Tony Dawkins. From the mic for a second.
The recipients of the Dean's Award, Gregory John Allen Kane. Would all students from the Cardiff School of Sport and Health Sciences please stand? President and Vice-Chancellor, I call upon you to admit these graduands.
By the authority vested in me by Cardiff Metropolitan University, I admit you to your various awards as indicated in the programme and to all the privileges of those awards. To the class of 2020, the outstanding graduates of 2020, congratulations.
Many congratulations to you all. Graduates, please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, you, the class of 2020 graduates, we hope that this day was worth waiting for and that you have all enjoyed this graduation ceremony. Do continue to celebrate throughout the day and have a safe journey home. Please, can you all stand? And please remain standing until the platform party has left the auditorium. I call upon President and Vice-Chancellor Professor Cara Aitchison to formally close the ceremony.
This ceremony is now closed. Diolch. Thank you.